Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I will show you how to screen record on Android using easy built-in options and apps if needed. This video will help you record your screen step by step. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen. This opens the quick settings panel where important shortcuts are placed for fast access. Step 2. Find the setting called Screen Recorder. It is usually shown as an icon in the quick settings panel and is used to record everything happening on your screen. Step 3. Tap Screen Recorder. This opens the recording option where your phone prepares to capture audio and screen activity. Step 4. Tap the red ball to start screen recording. Once you tap it, the phone begins recording your screen until you stop it manually. Method 2. Step 1. If your phone has no screen recorder, open the Play Store app on your phone. This is the official app store where you can download safe screen recording apps. Step 2. Tap the search icon at the bottom. This allows you to look for apps by typing their name. Step 3. Tap the search bar and type Screen Recorder. This will show a list of different screen recording apps available for Android. Step 4. Choose an app from the list. Notice the review rating and install number. This helps you pick a reliable and trusted app. Step 5. Tap Install to download the app. After installing, open the app, allow all permissions required, and tap Start to begin screen recording. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.